Nusach tefillah. Should we be davening every time in the same Nusach? Nusach Ashkenaz, Nusach Sfarad, Nusach Adot Mizrach, whatever your Nusach normally is. Or should you pick up a Siddur and daven whatever davening you have? Sometimes Adot Mizrach, sometimes Sfarad, sometimes Ashkenaz, every time something different. It seems like that kind of machloket is already in the Mishnayot in Masechet Brachot. Omer Rabbi Eliezer, מי שמתפלל תפילת קבע, אין תפילתו תחנונים. Anybody who davens and their tefillah is a very, very regular davening, every single time they say the same thing every single day, that's not really asking for mercy. That's not really having a conversation with Hashem. It's just saying the same thing every single day. On the other hand, we know that there's a Gemara that says, quotes the pasuk in Mishlei, Al titosh Torah imecha. If you have a certain minhag, you're supposed to go by the minhag of your parents. Even if different people have different minhagim, you're supposed to continue the minhag of your parents. So here, should you be continuing the minhag of your parents and every time be davening your regular nusach they grew up with? Or can you daven a different nusach? Because sometimes davening a different nusach actually makes you feel like you're having a real conversation with Hashem and not just davening the same thing every time. The Maharshtam says that Al titosh Torah imecha doesn't apply when it comes to tefillah. It only applies to isurim, to things that people took upon themselves that they decided it's wrong to do for whatever reason. For instance, kitniyot, not eating kitniyot, because that maybe there'll be chametz inside, or not doing melacha on certain days and erev chagim. But it doesn't apply to a nusach of tefillah. There's two aspects of the tefillah. Partially, there's an aspect of tefillah keneged korbanot, every single day doing the same exact korban tamid, and then it would seem like appropriate to do the same tefillah every single day. On the other hand, the other aspect of tefillah is asking for mercy, is having a conversation with Hashem, is just talking and explaining what you want, and then it doesn't seem appropriate to be saying the same thing every single day, as if this is a ceremony instead of a conversation, instead of asking what you want. Since there is the aspect of korbanot, it seems that even if somebody decides to continue in the same nusach and every day they say the same thing, and there they feel connected, it's okay. But if somebody wants to change their nusach, or they have different minyanim that they feel more connected to, even though that's not the nusach that their parents daven, or in different situations they want to daven different tefillot, so they actually can concentrate more on what they're davening, that would seem the better option. For anybody who wants to daven in a way that they feel like this would be causing them to have more concentration, since the Shulchan Aruch says that the most important thing with regard to tefillah is that we do try to concentrate and understand that we're having a conversation with Hashem, that we're asking things from Hashem, is that we're asking for mercy. Since that's the most important thing, if it means we have to daven a little bit shorter, if it means we have to change the nusach a bit, if it means going to a different minyan, going to a different beit knesset, somewhere that we feel more comfortable, those things are more important than davening the same nusach every single day that our parents have davened.